Rheem water heater keeps heating and shoots an A105 error. Sometimes an A104 error. The earlier says it's a lower element, but how do you go about replacing or checking this?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. To test an element, you test continuity across the two element terminals after turning the power of and disconnecting the leads. If you have no continuity, replace the element.
Thank you very much. Turned out to be a recall on the electronic.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.